Hey guys, I know it's my second video posted, but we need to get the trailer because if you look here, it says Jorvik stables 10 minutes, so we've got to get there. So let's get to Jarlaheim. I'm not spending my star coins because I am staying another day, so I'm using 75. The other 75 up to spend the night. So this will be fun. But let's just quickly ride to Jorvik stables because it's got 10 minutes. I've never done the Jorvik stables champ. I was gonna do it yesterday, I think it was, but it was yesterday, and then food came in, I was like, no! And then I missed it. So yeah, guys. Look at this. We got 7 minutes. Oh my god, it's Avis, my friend. She's the one who's getting married. What level is she? 20? How is she level 20? Let's see what horses she's got. Whoa. Wait, I want to have a Shire. A Welsh pony. Oh no, that one. I want to get a load of horses, but I need star coins. But luckily, I will buy star coins every 10 weeks. I mean every 2. Oops. I meant every 2, guys. Oh my god, every 2 weeks I'm gonna get 500 star coins. I get £10 because I clean the whole entire house, and then I transfer it onto my account, and then get 500, save up, and then get another 500 the next week, which is unfortunately when I go back to school, and also the same day after my granddad's funeral, which is on Tuesday. I panicked then, I thought it was next Tuesday because I'm going to RAS, so no videos, but yeah, I will be recording the video. And who's Myra? Oh, let's see. Oh, it's very sexy. Whoa, you can get past level 20. I didn't know that. I forgot about that. Okay then. Casually waiting 5 minutes. And then bear in mind, I still have to do these quests, but luckily I'm going on my pony to do the mystical. Oh my god. You know what? Let's warm up. Avis will probably be so confused. She's probably going to think, oh, what the hell is she doing? I would be the same about myself. Oh, Nutella's out. Oh, we've got to talk to her. Oh, we need to talk to her. Okay, we spoke to her. Third. Oh my god, I really like the ribbons. I really want one. I'll record after when it's time. Just our stable randomness, rating for champion. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, no. Oh, I thought I was gonna have, oh, Jesus. No. Ooh, that was good. I'm actually loving this look. I actually have, Avis! No, Avis, no! Don't get in my way. I like that one. Because it goes well. that goes well. But this kind of reminds me of something from Riding Free, that girl. I forgot her name. Rip. Why do people always go to, like, the starting line when you get put there anyway? 4 pointer championship, we know. Oh. I want to do quests like you. I like doing championships. Route 3. Jesus Christ. Oh. I don't. If Avis is watching, good luck. Because you're going to need it. Even though you're faster than me. Hope you get first, because I probably won't. I always get 6th. We're in Pony Champ 14th. And if anyone who's in the champ watching, good luck. That's all. Excited! Ah, I'm so nervous. Oh. Oh. I don't know what just happened there, but they've changed the Jorvik Stables comp, I think. I've never done Jorvik Stables comp, but I don't remember it being around here. No, I got stuck. Jeez, this lag is bad. I don't care if I lose, to be honest, like I say. Or just like getting Jorvik shillings, but even though I really want to win, because I like the, I like the bow. Whoa. No! I got stuck with Maria. Oh my god. Maria, come on. Just so you know, I am not using speed glitches. Probably lag from recording. No! This isn't going so well. It is gonna fail. She's speed glitching, I think. Unless my recorder is so laggy. I thought it said I was 9. There's 2 people behind, like, well, quite a few people. Oh my god. Jesus, people get there quick. You could just jump over it like I did and be smart. But then again, the jump failed. No, Batman! I got 6. Oh my god. I am proud of myself. Like, yeah, I am so happy. But, oh my god. Can you believe that? Well done to everyone who got, like, well done to everyone who participated in, like, a championship, no matter where you are, because even if you get a bad place, you're still a winner no matter what. What it gives, like, no, you know how to improve, just keep practicing the championship. Like, if you do it a few times over and remember it, you can sometimes get the place you want, like, first or something. again. I'm 6 again. Oh my god. Are you serious? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call for pickup, and anyways, I hope to see you later, and hope you all have fun. Bye, guys.